Hello students, today we learn how to make a beautiful bird relief with dry clay. So here I am showing you the bird relief. You can see how to make it. We use different colorful clay for birds, stem, flowers and leaves. So here you can see the clay which I am going to use. So first I am going to draw with pencil a shape. The basic part is drawing only. First you have to draw on the sheet. You can take any cardboard or any wooden board for making a relief form. So here I am using a cardboard sheet in a round shape, and I am going to draw a bird and the stem, branches and the leaves. So this is the drawing part you have to do first. Now you have to put clay on it. See, I am making a stem. I am using a brown clay. Yeah, this is the dry clay, and you have to make it according to the drawing. Just paste it on the drawing. Here you can see my branches are almost complete, and now I am going to use green color for leaves. I am using both the shade light green and dark green, so I can give them some shading effect in clay also. See, first you have to make a round ball and then make it pointed for the leaf shape. Make a round. Claim the round ball you are going to use for the lighter green shade. Here you can see the shape. I use a light purple color for bird and making a beak, and now eyes and a small black dot inside the eye. And I'm using a pink color for the wings. You can see I'm making a round, and then see how I'm making a shape. I'm putting some dot in it. The last flowers. For flowers also you have to use the same way. The way you make the leaves, the same you have to make for flower, but you have to make it in a circular way. And then with any tool or pointer thing you have to give some mark inside it, some depth, and fill the I'm giving the blue color in the center. See, like this you have to give it. I'm showing you on the leaves and flower also same. The leaf is almost complete. Here you can see. You can place it on your wall also.